Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to do my Party City fall haul. So I know a lot of people don't think of Party City like a place to shop, but I love going online and seeing all of the things. They have some great decor. They have sometimes, well, the majority of times their prices are much better than Michael's and Hobby Lobby when they don't have their sales. But yes, guys, so even if you don't think so, I think you should take a look. So this is my big box that was delivered to me. So I'm gonna start taking things out. Okay, so the first thing that I see is this sign here. So this says Dia de los Muertos. So it has the sugar skull, and then this is not glitter, it's foil underneath. Very beautiful and detailed. It has spider webs, the moon. It has lots of cute little designs on it, and I love the sugar skull. I love that it looks kind of like, not like, I don't know how to explain it, like an old paper. I don't know if you can see that. Very nice. And we were born here, and my parents are Mexican descent, so Dia de los Muertos is something very sacred and special for us. So I thought this was cute because not that much of the decor that I see from other stores is as nice as that. So I should get the price. I will be putting the price. I have to see my invoice or my email, and I will put in the price of each of these things because they are not on each item. So the next one is this. It says pumpkin spice and everything nice. They had another one that says you had me at pumpkin spice, and it was that beautiful blue with that light orange, and I had it in my cart. But when I finished shopping around and looking, I didn't have my wallet downstairs, and then I got distracted. But by the time I went upstairs to, put my info to check out, guess what? It was sold out. So people are buying these because they are very good quality and nice price. Okay, so pumpkin spice and everything nice. As you can see, it has a little sheen, the pumpkin, and I love the font. This is the side of it, and it's a pretty decent size, guys. It's not small at all. Okay, so that's one thing. And then I also found this one, which I'm going to put out soon. It says so long summer, hello fall. That's a beautiful blue, very like not too pastel and not too bright. It's the perfect blue. Again, I love that they're doing this color. Where is it? Oh no, it's in this bag. Yeah, so I just did my Dollar General haul. If you haven't watched it, click on it. But this is from Dollar General, and they're doing this with that blue. I love it. I love this color combo. I think it's like my favorite. So yeah, and it does have this little branch, the pumpkin, very nice color, very nice quality. Next thing is this sign here. It says thankful with the turkey, grateful, and blessed. So if you have not seen my other videos, this is the back if you're wondering. For fall, I do usually like around September for fall decor, Halloween for October, and then for November I do Thanksgiving. But like I mentioned in my other videos, it's really hard, in my opinion, to find cute, like designated Thanksgiving decor, like with the turkey and all this stuff, because usually it's very easy to find this sweater weather, hello fall, autumn blessings, etc., etc. The truck, everything, but nothing really designated with the turkey for Thanksgiving. You know, that it screams that it's for Thanksgiving. So when I do find cute things, I buy them. So yeah, so that's what it is, and I love the colors. Again, I will be putting the prices on the screen. I love Party City's gel clings. It's one of my favorite things. I always like to look for those because they are very good quality. But this time I only liked this one here. Sorry if you hear the garbage truck. Okay, so like I was saying, their gel clings are really nice. So this one says, it's backwards, it says Wicked. It does have a spider, the witch's hat, some bats, the pot with the witch's feet coming out, and the broom. And one of my favorite purchases is this. So by looking at this, would you think it's from Party City? Probably not. But this is what I'm talking about. Do not sleep on Party City. Look how cute. It says pick your own pumpkin patch. And then with the galvanized arrow, 50 cents a pound. I'm trying to read this backwards, guys. Since 1963. The pumpkins. I'll just zoom in. So as you can see, it's like the faux wood panels, and this is all real. It's not like fake. Very, very nice. And it has, I don't even know what this is made out of, but it's very good quality. And I did not think it was this size. If you can see, it's like from my head to my chest. Very big and very good quality. I am so happy, and I love that the pumpkin is on like a separate little plank here. Very cute. Very, very cute. I'm so happy with that purchase. Okay, what is next in this box? Oh, very cute. I got this for my tea tray. How adorable. Get stuffed. Really cute. I love their little table signs. So adorable. And then I did get this banner. So it says welcome fall. It is made out of felt, but it is beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So it says welcome in burgundy, fall in black. It has this decor here, and it does feel like it's not like felt stuck on. I don't know if it's screen printed on, but it does have this felt pumpkin. So this was glued on. And then look at the flower details. I love the different color branches and greenery. Very, very beautiful. And it is quite big as well. And this is the back if you are wondering. Very, very beautiful. I'm so happy with the things from Party City. Then finally, the last thing fall related was this mini sign. So this is small. This says pumpkins. It has a burlap pumpkin here with an arrow, apples with an arrow, and the burlap apple, and hay rides with the pop-up arrow. So this is what this is. Very, very cute. I actually do like that it's this size. Again, if you DIY this, which I'm not, you can take this off and like put it on a wreath maybe or something. It's like a very good size for that. And then when I did my summer 4th of July Memorial Day patriotic haul from Party City, I did not find this sign, so they still had it now for a much lesser price. So I was so happy. I'm going to save this, of course, for next year, but look how beautiful. So this says hooray. Again, a very, very nice size. I thought it was going to be maybe up to here, because their prices are sometimes like incredible for what you get. So this says hooray. It is glittery. This is not. And then it has the popsicle, which I love decorating with the popsicle, USA, and then the pinwheel. And the stand is red. And I like that they combine this with like a very plain background sometimes, so it's not like boom in your face. Very, very nice. So yes, so that is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. If you like any of these items, I would suggest getting them now, because things are selling out quick. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Thank you guys to all my new subscribers. I really, really appreciate it. And see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.